高雄的西雅湾今仔暗时拄好是8楼，这海影直直架已经有3米遐悬咯。市长陈其迈也提醒讲，暗时风雨会真大，民众无代志尽量莫出门。
海影直直架起来，咱看到讲啊，即马雨暗伫咧高雄风雨哪来哪大，特别是伫咧西雅湾，因为气象署公布啊，讲今日暗时呢，差不多是7点左右，会是8楼的状况，所以即马已经观测到差不多有3米遮悬的海影架起来咯。高雄的风雨哪来哪大，特别是沿海地区爱特别细致8楼，甲海水倒击，空气风态外围环流带来大水雨，对南部地区的省长愈暗愈明显。顶届因为山岛市饮水灾情严重，这届环保局是有提早清水沟啊，清除的废弃物就有81栋，嘛拄好拄到澳洲消防人员来台湾交流，因11个人拢主动加入市区清水沟甲摒土刷的防灾作业。
The team here were really happy and proud that we could come out and assist your crews and give back to the Taiwanese people who've given us so much since we've been here. All their love and affection's been fantastic.
I think you have a really good system here, and you made all the right preparations for the typhoon coming. So good job, Taiwan.
除了政府单位，民众嘛提早做准备，亲像高雄市盐埕立体停车场830多个停车位嘛早就停满，也国道3号南边交流道甲大坪湾宽弯道路往北路段的高架桥嘛开放民众紧急避难停车来度过这个风台。记者民警柯昭阳高雄报道。